From small metal articles to large metal products, everything is possible for Company Fortas. Fortas Steel Masters are proud of what they make and how they do it. Fortas is one of the most modern steel processing subcontractors in the Baltic states. Our factory is located in Lithuania at the crossroads of the major roads in Europe. Fortas provides services to companies in different countries. Contract manufacturing makes up a core segment of the company's activities. We provide a wide range of services from design to logistics. The company manufactures a variety of metal parts for different industries, from forest machinery to medical equipment. The company's production area is 12,000 square meters. Fortas is constantly growing and investing in upgrading and developing the equipment and the premises. Our company uses equipment made by worldwide known and reliable producers. Fortas provides regular and timely maintenance services of metal processing equipment. We minimize the risk of production delays by having backup equipment or a plan B for every service. Fortas was established in 1994 and has long-term experience in the metalworking market. We value long-term cooperation, so we have been cooperating with many of our customers since the establishment of our company. Fortas customers avoid additional expenses and risks related to manufacturing of metal parts. There is no need for them to invest in expensive metalworking equipment, additional space for it, as well as an expensive metalworking staff. There's a lot of work to be done before steel gets to metalworking machinery to be shaped into the parts by customers. Fortas project managers and project engineers do everything in their power to ensure smooth progress of projects and timely delivery of products. Experienced personnel and the R&D department work with the newest engineering programs, which help to integrate customers' parts into our production. Long-term experience, know-how, and efficient manufacturing are perfect tools in helping our customers to simplify the products and to make their production easier and less costly. Fortas helps their customers during the product development phase as well. The purchasing department accurately plans the purchase of raw materials and regular stock in the warehouse. We only work with suppliers offering top-quality raw materials and services. Suppliers and contractors of Fortas must meet the same quality standards as Fortas have set for themselves. Fortas uses an ERP system specifically developed for our company. This program is a tool for our production planning and traceability. The ERP system provides information concerning the location of parts and the production phase in real time, accurate planning of production, risk management processes, and a wide range of equipment ensure production on time. Every employee at Fortas is responsible for our product's quality. The quality inspection of our product begins from checking incoming raw materials and proceeds through every phase of the manufacturing process. Fortas is committed to producing products and providing services that always meet customers' requirements. The company has introduced quality management system ISO 9001. Fortas provides a wide range of metalworking services. We pay special attention to welding and post-welding processes of metal parts. The company has established a department of welding engineers and technologists. Fortas has introduced welding quality system ISO 3834. Fortas employs a highly qualified and experienced staff. Company employees continuously attend various in-service training courses to keep improving their qualifications. We work as a strong and united team. Our major focus is on work safety and staff health. The company has introduced Work Safety and Health Management System ISO 45001. Fortas takes full responsibility for our impact on the environment. We are responsible for our planet, and we want to keep this world friendly to live in. Are you ready to grow your business together with us? Let's get in touch. Reach out to us at www.fortas.lt.